Hey guys, it's Megan and today I'm going to be decorating my apartment. So I live in a really tiny apartment, like super tiny. You can see my kitchen is like right over here. It like blends in with the living room and the living room blends in with the bedroom. So it's literally just all one room. My bedding is hella ugly, like look at that. What is that? I only have one pillow too because me and Francesco like shared. So like I took one pillow and then he kept the other one. So like we both have one pillow, which is kind of sad. You know, it's really bare. There's nothing on the wall. There's only a clock and my keys. My chest of drawers is literally in the hallway because there was no room to put anything. Because the landlord before, like he just cluttered the closet. And I was like, do you mind if I just get rid of this? Because I need to like store a lot of things. So like he told me I can throw all of that away. I'm so excited to make this video because I just feel like it's gonna be strange for me to live somewhere that feels like a little more comfortable, if that makes any sense. I've always been one of those people that has never really made their home feel homey. It's been like that ever since I was a little girl. I never like decorated my room. I never put pictures on the wall. I didn't really care about like colors and like painting and stuff like that. And yeah, I've just always felt like decorating was kind of like a waste of time in a way, and also it would be too expensive to do it. That's gonna change this week because I just really want to feel more homey. Don't want to feel like I'm always ready to go up and move, because I feel like that's been a big excuse of mine, is like, oh, I don't want to decorate because I'm gonna be moving soon. But that's life. Like, I'm always going to be moving. So I didn't really know where to start for this video, so I looked up a bunch of pictures on Google. Like I just looked up cozy room ideas, and I was just like making a note of everything that really caught my attention and what was in those pictures. So I think I've pinpointed down what makes a room look really cozy. So plants, lots of throws and rugs, candles, fairy lights, all of those things, pictures on the wall, like just, oh my god, doesn't that look so cozy? So this is like a really realistic, I'm on a budget, so I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna be like painting the walls. I'm not gonna be like doing all this crazy stuff. I'm literally just trying to make my home feel homey just by adding like these little touches everywhere and see how it goes. So I think without further ado, it's like 1 o'clock right now and I want to get this video finished today. So I'm just gonna cut the intro short and let's get started. By the way, a lot of people were telling me that they really liked this cute little, I don't even know what this is, like just an oversized sweater. I actually don't know where this is from. I got it like 4 years ago and I just never worn it. So I decided it was now time to wear it. So this is my first job. Gotta get rid of all of this stuff. Like, what is this? At least like it rolls. Look how nice it rolls. Ugh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's it, you're almost there. Oh my gosh. So all I've done, you guys, is clean up this area, and already like I feel so much better. Like just look at this. Obviously, like once you look over here, it doesn't look so nice because I have to actually throw this all in the garbage, minus that, but that's all gonna go in the garbage. So I'm just gonna make myself a coffee really quickly, and then afterwards we're gonna start decorating. I think the first thing that I want to do is change the bedding. I think that's the thing I'm the most excited about. I had my new bedding in here for like 2 weeks and I haven't even opened it because of this video, so I hope you appreciate this. Oh, I just realized I have no milk. Okay, I have to go run and get milk. I forgot that I don't have any, so as much as I don't want to do it, I'm gonna bring some of my garbage down with me. I'm gonna get a cider too. I am back. Dude, I had like the nicest compliment. So I was in the store and I bought myself milk and cider, And the guy was like, oh, can I see some ID, please? And I'm like, yeah, of course. And I showed it to him and he's like, oh my God, 95? Well, you're doing good for yourself, aren't you? And I was like, oh my God, you're so nice. Okay, so the first thing that I got for my bed was this. I'm just gonna cover my address. This is the deep sleep pillow, because I needed some pillows. Oh my God, oh my God, they're so fluffy. They're not like as firm as I would normally like them to be, but they feel really nice. I have my fluffy pillowcase, a rug, duvet set. That's nice and thick. What's this? Oh my God, these are oh fuck, they're battery operated. Oh my God, these are gonna need batteries too. I didn't even think about this. Okay, it looks really bad right now, you guys, because it's been sitting in this box for like 2 weeks, so it looks a little bit wrinkled, but this is supposed to look wrinkled. It's like a quilted kind of look. But if this fits, I will be so happy. Like, you have no idea. Yay, it fit! That's oh my God, it fits perfect. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so fuzzy. Oh, it got... Oh God, we got an accident. It got stuck. Isn't that a good idea? Instead of getting new ones, like, I could just put in here. You would never know. You'd never know. Oh, you wanna come out? Come on.
Hurry up.
Come on, mister. You can come decorate with me.
Who said anything about decorating?
Hey, that's just you. Don't get grumpy. See how mad he gets? That's why I always have that covered with a pillow. Carl, what you doing? Can I have a kiss?
Don't you dare.
Mwah.
I am so disgusted right now.
Oh my gosh. That just makes the room look a million times better, and all I've done is change my bed sheets. I need to get a new sheet case because that's not cute. But wow, I feel like so girly right now. I love it. I love it. This has nothing to do with the house, but I just really wanted this. I think it's what I'm thinking. Yeah. To put on top of this, I just kind of, oh, this is a heavy book. I just kind of like told myself, oh, it'll look cute like up there, but I just really wanted to get it. It's called The Book of Snakes. I know it's so weird, but it tells you like where the snake is located, tells you if it's venomous or not, it tells you what it's related to. So I got this book because one day when I'm hopefully a zoologist and I'm like out in the field, I'm gonna bring this with me everywhere I go and be like, try to identify everything. What are you trying to do?
I'm going to get that ugly chameleon in the mirror.
Always falling. Come here. Come here.
Get that hand away from me.
Okay, so I just got to Wilco. Just have to find where everything is. I got the goods. It's like 4 o'clock and I don't know how I've spent 4 hours just like opening this. Like, that's it. That's all I've opened. Okay, so now we're gonna work on this. Last place, I had like a full vine wall. Francesco absolutely hated it, but I loved it, so I'm gonna redo it again. So I got all these vines off of Amazon. I'll link everything down below, you guys, if you want to get them as well. Just warning you though, it smells like salmon when you first get them. I don't know why. I don't know what to do with this. Anyone have any suggestions? It's attached to the wall. I can't get rid of that. Okay, so now I'm like a bit confused. It looks really girly like this. I don't know if I should add the vines. Let's see if it looks good or not. Ooh. Ooh, actually, yeah, I think that would look cute. Okay, let's do that. Wow, like, I can't believe you can just change a whole vibe of a room by just putting up lights and vines. Okay, so we're done the bedroom. It's now 6 o'clock. So I went to the plant store before lockdown happened, and I didn't find any that I liked, and I didn't really know what to look for because I've actually never had plants before. The only ever real plants that I've ever had were for Carl, and I just killed the plants. I don't know how. They're tropical plants. It's a tropical environment, but I still managed to kill them. And I've only had these for 2 weeks. I got them both from Amazon. So this is a lily plant, I think, and this is a Swiss cheese plant. But the Swiss cheese plant is already dying. There's like these things on it. So I don't really know what's happening with that one. Also bought these off Amazon. I think they were like £4 each. Super cute. Oh, and I also got this as well. I got this from Amazon, but this was from IKEA originally. And it's cool, so at least this one won't die. I'm gonna put this one up here. Like that. I have my forky. Oh, I wanna actually put some more fairy lights, and I don't know if I'm going to put them here and like have them droop, or if I wanna put them over the window. I haven't decided yet. I'll show you guys what they look like though. Oh, that's cute. Hey guys, so I'm currently decorating my place. I don't want to give it away because it's going to be in a video. Look how cute that plant is. You're staying there, buddy. What's his name going to be? I'm going to call him Bert. No, I'm going to just... I don't want to name him because he's going to die soon. I'm pretty sure. So that plant's nameless. I feel like that plant has a chance. The lily one. So I'm going to name her... I'll just call her Lily. It is almost 9 o'clock. I just ate dinner, I just put Carl to bed, and I've just read the comments that you guys left on my Instagram story. Like half of you guys were saying that you like it vertical, and then the other half were saying they liked it draped. So I'm just gonna see. I'll just try them both. No, I don't like that. What is that? I don't want to touch it because I'm scared. What is that? Let me grab my tongs. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's just a bunch of nails. Am I so dumb like that? I really thought I was finding something out. It's just a bunch of nails. Look, can you see? God dang it, I thought I found out something really cool and I thought I had a cool story to tell you. Never mind. Back to business. That looks cute, but kind of like tacky. Oh, I also, it was too long, so I shoved a bunch of them back here. Oh yeah, I also got this off Amazon. I don't think I've ever shown you guys, but it's like a cool mood lamp. And then when you find a color you want, you just tap it and it stays there. So one more thing that I have for lights is this. Oh my god, it has a little remote control. That's cool. I noticed a common theme that I really liked in all the pictures I was seeing were candles. I love candles. And oh my god, it moves, look. And because I didn't want to like have fire candles all the time, I got battery ones just so like it's a little bit safer. I feel like it's not really safe to just always have like a bunch of candles lit, but this is the perfect way to do it. Ow! It has like this little remote control thing, so I can like turn it off, turn it on. I can choose how bright it is, so I can make it go dim. You guys, look at me and baby Carl. So cute. Okay, I want to show you guys all the pictures that I have and I'm going to put on my wall. One of me and Francesco. This is when we were in Italy. This was Gaeta. I have a picture of me and my best friend Shailene when we were in Seattle. This picture, oh my nail polish, ew. This picture I took when I was in Australia. This is the Whitsunday Islands. This place is literally heaven on earth. It's like, I just want to go back. Then I got me and Waffles. Cammy's so cute. Then I have a picture of my mom and my two sisters. I don't know where Caitlin was in this picture, but I couldn't find anything. This was when I went to Canada last year. Then I have another really beautiful picture of Carl. Then I have me and my granddad. This is when we were in Rome. I love this picture. Like, I don't know. It's just my favorite. Then I have another picture of me and Francesco. This is when we were at Winter Wonderland last year. I have that vlog on my channel if you guys want to see that. And then I just found this. But I don't think I really like it. It came out like really bad. This is me and my best friend Shailene when we were at the fireworks in Vancouver a long time ago. I don't think I really like how this one turned out. But I'm definitely going to put these ones. But yours didn't make the cut. I really love all the pictures, but I definitely think that my picture putting up skills could do a little more work. It just looks so random. Put this up too really quickly. I don't know where to put this up. So the next day I decided to hang up my YouTube plaque. And I think that just about cuts this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was super underwhelming for a room makeover, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this anyways. It was super fun for me to make, and coming from someone that doesn't ever decorate, like, this was so fun to do and it was so out of my comfort zone. And I just feel like my room is still incomplete. So I'm gonna keep decorating, gonna keep adding things, and then eventually I'll give you guys a little room tour if you wanna see it. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye!